Hi, welcome back to Detailing World. In today's video we're going to take a look at a few products sent over to us from the guys over at Duel. They've kindly sent us 4 products and a few air fresheners and also this nifty little wheel brush. I can't remember the last time I used the word nifty, but anyway, so yeah, they've sent over Cleanse, which is their tyre cleaner. They've sent over Bahama Blue, which is a car shampoo. They've also sent Optical, which is their glass cleaner, and finally they've sent Satin, which is an interior detailer. They've also sent some bonus goodies as well, which is this nice little net bag here, which has got their logo and everything on there. Quite funky, used for other purposes, and in here are 3 air fresheners of this size, and they all smell amazing. This one's called Havana, this one is Pineapple Express, and this last one is Pour Homme. I always pronounce that wrong, you'll probably rip me in the comments. So yeah, the guys over at Duel have sent us these out for testing and reviewing them, but obviously before I can give you my thoughts on these, I need to give the car a quick clean. So yep, we're actually going to be cleaning my car today and not some other car. I've left it long enough to actually get dirty. It's been a few weeks since it's last washed, so we're going to try all of these today, hopefully. I'll also give you some details on these towards the end of the video, see if I can get you a discount code as well, and let you know my thoughts on each of them. There'll also be individual videos for each of them as well, which hopefully you've got used to. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video as well, don't forget to smash that like button. So yeah, let's crack on with the detail. Okay then, so into the detail then. As always, we're going to start off by rinsing the wheels first with your pressure washer, just to knock off all the surface dust and dirt. And then we're going to hit the tyres first of all with the Cleanse to clean the tyres and prep them ready for some tyre dressing towards the end of the detail. Speaking of which, we have recently done a video on tyre dressings compared, so we did about 8 different tyre dressings, see how long they last and what kind of look they all give. So I'll put a link to that in the top now. Wheel cleaner through a maralex sprayer. Again, we've done a video on this as well, so once again I'll just put a link in the top corner now to the maralex sprayers. And I like to use the foaming sprayer with a decent wheel cleaner just to get some extra foam in there to lift the dirt away and evenly distribute all of the wheel cleaning products that you choose to use. And then I'm agitating that with the good old-fashioned wheel lids. So once you've done your initial pre-wash, be it a snow foam or just a light coating of a citrus cleaner, it's then onto the wash stage. So as I say, on the bottle it says to use 15 ml of product into a bucket of water. I've used about 15 litres of water here, and then as you can see it gives a lot of suds and it's very slick product as well. Does a really good job at cleaning the car, and it doesn't seem to have any effect on stripping any waxes or anything like that. So great product for providing plenty of suds and a bit of cleaning power as well. Also, we get a few questions about these show plates. If you are interested in these kind of show plates, we got those from Full House Customs, which you can check them out on Instagram at FHC Shop. So as this is just a quick detail then, there's no decontamination or wax application or anything like that. Once I've washed the car and rinsed it, it's then onto drying it. And if you've been watching this channel for some time, you'll know that I've recently purchased a car drying. It's the Blow Air GT. Got this from Clean and Shiny, and you can get 10% off this if this is something you're wanting to use yourself. Just use the code DW10 if you want to save 10%. Once again, I've done a video on this as well, so I'll put a link to that up in the corner as well, and also in the description below. But yeah, let's crack on with the rest of the detail. The exterior done, then it's time to give the interior a quick wipe down then. And again, we've got another product from Duel, which is their Satin, which is their interior detailer. To use this, it's always best to spray this directly onto your microfiber, particularly on the dash fascias where there's a lot of buttons and touch screens and things like that. You don't really want to be spraying moisture into those electrical components. On the surface of the dash, you're probably okay spraying a little bit of product. If you do that, make sure the dashboard is cool to touch. There's no direct sunlight on there. You don't want to risk staining anything, no matter what product you use. Again, this Satin interior detailer did a really great job at cleaning any fingerprints off the touchscreen system. And it was also streak-free on the gloss black trim work in the car. And on the main part of the dash, it didn't feel greasy, sticky, anything like that. An excellent job of cleaning and keeping the dust down. It's been about a week, 2 weeks since I applied that at the time of recording this voiceover. Yeah, and it's still quite dust-free. That's all the products tried and tested then. I'll quickly go through those in a moment. First of all, if you do want to purchase any of these, you can go to duelautocare.co.uk and use the discount code FUEL20 to get 20% off your first order. So yeah, we'll quickly run through each of these one by one. Don't forget as well, I will be doing a little series following this video of each of these products, sort of 3 to 5 minute videos. So make sure you like and subscribe to catch those. But yeah, we'll quickly go through these. So starting off with the cleanse then, which is the tyre cleaner. This one, it smells like a really nice product. It doesn't smell like an all-purpose cleaner. It smells like some sort of sweets. I'm not quite sure which ones, but it smells really, really nice. Downside on that one for me is it didn't really foam up. It wasn't a really sudsy product, but yeah, it cleaned really well. You can see the dirt comes off there ready for some tyre dressing to be applied. Next up was the Bahama Blue car shampoo. Now, my only gripe on this, and I will say this about nearly anyone who does this, is it says to use 15 ml in a bucket of water. Please just put on there how much water. But anyway, I use 15 ml into 15 litres roughly of water, and that gave some really nice thick suds. So I think round about that kind of dilution ratio, which is like 1 to 1000, is a really good sort of benchmark to go. So if anyone ever doesn't put on the bottle how many litres of water and just put a bucket of water or something like that, yeah, they go with the idea of 1 ml to 1 litre. And this, Again, smells really, really nice. It's a very thick product as well coming out of the bottle, and it really suds up very, very well. So you can get suds for ages. Just dip your pressure washer in every now and again, generate more suds. Amazing. Didn't seem to strip any wax either, which is another positive. Optical, which is a glass cleaner. It's a glass cleaner. I always struggle on what to say about these, but streak free, smear free, everything you'd expect from a glass cleaner, and does the job well. And then finally, Satin, the interior detailer. Again, a very nice product. Spray this onto your microfiber first. You don't want to be damaging any touch screens, any delicate plastics or anything like that in the car. So spray it onto your microfiber first, and it also means you're not spraying into the switches and buttons. Again, this seems to do the job really well. It doesn't leave a greasy feeling after it. It doesn't leave like a shiny sort of sheen to the plastics or anything like that. Just a nice, quick detailer for the interior. So there we have it then. That's the products tried and tested from Duel Auto Care, and apologies if you notice any issues with today's video. The camera seems to be on its way out, so I've been having a few issues towards the end of the detail and right now as I record this. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, then please make sure you smash that like button, and if you're not subscribed to this channel already, please do consider subscribing as well. It really does help us out. Also, feel free to support us on Patreon if you wish. There's absolutely no pressure, but it will help me buy a new camera because that's on the way out. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram as well at DetailingWorldOfficial, and if you want to see the behind the scenes, you can follow myself at Randomly Set. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this. Make sure you go check out duelautocare.co.uk, and we'll see you in the next video.